Morning, folks. Welcome to Early World History. This is your virtual learning day, so I'm going to go over our new module. When you log in, you're going to see a new one right at the top. It says Enduring Issues Week, 10/26 to 10/30. So this week we're going to be working on enduring issues. Under Monday, 10/26, your assignments, here they are, just like normal, just like you'll see anytime whether you're with me or not. And then I want to point out to you that I have EI resources here. So these are things you can just kind of reference back to, but you don't actually need to touch today because they're actually embedded already in our Nearpod lesson. So when you go into the opener, you're going to be thinking about what do you think enduring issues means. So what do you think that phrase even means? Just post in the chat below. And then you're going to go to our Nearpod assignment for today. You're going to put your name in so that I see that you're doing the work. And then you're going to hit join the lesson, and then it's student paced. So you're going to move at your own pace for this. Okay, but we're going to be looking at enduring issues today. This is a Padlet that a colleague of mine put together that goes through what enduring issues are, how they're significant, tips for identifying enduring issues, and then some major enduring issues that we've looked at, that we'll be looking at constantly throughout the school year. This is the writing assignment you will also have at the end of global history, which you'll take next year. So it is important that you start to get comfortable with the language and start to get comfortable with what these look like. So because I'm not logged in as a student, I can't access this collaboration board, but all you're going to do, there's a question on there, and it's can you identify any enduring issues in America? You're just going to type your response in, and it's going to go to the collaboration board for your class. So it's going to be like a big post-it board by the time we're done. These are also what you saw on that Padlet, and these are just a bunch of possible enduring issues that New York State came up with that kind of can get you started thinking about what enduring issues are. So this says, what enduring issues are there in global history? There are many enduring issues in global history that you will discover during this course, but only 9 that you will return to repeatedly throughout. So these are just 9 topics that are really easy to identify throughout history and throughout the topics we'll discuss in this course. Once you're done with that, you're going to be using the following slides. You're going to be reading an article from the Washington Post titled, "Sumter County, Alabama just got its first integrated school. Yes, in 2018. So you're going to read that. Then you're going to choose an enduring issue you found in the article. Then you're going to write a claim supporting the enduring issue you chose using evidence from the article. So here is the article. It's already embedded for you. You can access it. You can move down and pull right through and read the whole thing as you need at your own pace. Okay? You can even take some notes. Then I put this in as a quiz, but really because I just wanted to gather some data and see what you all chose. So you're going to be using this article to write about one enduring issue you see in this topic, in this article. And you have 4 to choose from. So you could choose power, conflict, impact of ideas and beliefs, or inequity. And then you have the space where you're going to be writing. So now that you've decided on an enduring issue in this article, write a well-supported response supporting your claim. And then hit submit when you're done so that your work can be submitted through Nearpod. And then I just ask a quick poll because I'm curious how this worked out for you, what you thought of it. Did you like using Nearpod for today's lesson? Yep, nope, or it was okay. Folks, if there are any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and let me know If you need to text me, I can get any links going or help you kind of quicker, or you can shoot me an email if you have any major concerns or issues also. Otherwise, don't forget I have my office hours tomorrow at 1:50, and I can probably make arrangements to meet with you this afternoon too if you did need something. So let me know. Good luck.